I've been wanting to try the actual butterflies though, but look how cute this is. Look how shiny and sparkly. The little gems. It looks like a 3D type of art. And that's gonna go into the lamp for a minute after applying it on every single nail. Comment down below if you want to see more Dollar Tree tutorials. The other day we went to the Dollar Tree and we found a lot of new nail art supplies and little trinkets. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this last design I have on my nails with this Pana, I believe it is the Tornado Bit, my favorite removal of acrylic. And we're just kind of prepping because these nails, I want to say they were 2 weeks old, but I really don't remember. But they did need a fill regardless. And because of that, I thought let's do something with these Dollar Tree items that we found. Because honestly, I was shocked at what I found. And I saw these little butterflies, you guys, that I've been wanting. And I was like, oh my gosh, let me just get them here. Might as well. I recently did a nail haul, so it's up on my channel if you guys want to check it out. But I did a nail supplies haul from going to the Dollar Tree recently because I like to go see what they have. Since, you know, technology and the years go by, things do get a little bit better, and they are starting to really have some really cool items at the Dollar Tree for nail techs, even in the hair aisle, every other aisle, you guys. So for people that actually can do their own nails or that are starting to do their own nails, any kind of nail beginner, whether professional or just a nail enthusiast that likes to DIY their nails at home, you should really check out the Dollar Tree, you guys. I would suggest it for everyone, a beginner, person doing it for like over 10 years. I've been doing nails for almost 10 years this year, so I love going to the Dollar Tree because they have been having the best stuff, like I mentioned, and it's really shocking to see because when I was in nail school, they didn't have this, obviously, like 10 years ago. So you can also even get press-ons and put on these little nail arts that I found at the Dollar Tree, you guys. But if you're just learning to do acrylics or you already know how to do acrylics, I'm literally just prepping my nail to apply the acrylic so that I can just have my acrylic foundation on and do whatever designs I please right on top of that. Okay, so you can see I'm basically just refilling how I did the ombre. So I'm not adding the other color at the bottom, which is a milky white. I'm just refilling where the growth is. And after this, I'm gonna go ahead and take some clear, and we're just going to encase the nails to protect them before filing and buffing them before the nail art goes on there. Here's where I'm adding the clear so that I can encase it and add a little bit more structure to where we need to level it out a little more to encase, especially that area where the apex should be. And here we're just finished filing with this 5-in-1 bit from Amazon. My storefront is actually in the description, you guys, if you want to check out all the things that I'm using in this video. Most of everything is on there, and if it's not, please let me know. So what I really like to do is take a hand file and start hand filing it to smooth it out, and it's really good for precision, especially around the skin area near the cuticle. And here I'm just reshaping it a little bit. Sometimes I reshape right before using the e-file with the bit, but today I decided to do the bit first and then reshape and finish file with the hand file. You can go ahead and buff the nails right before adding all the charms. So here's the bag full of the nail art. Go check out the video, you guys, on my channel to see what I got, but you can clearly see a couple of things here. Now, I was looking at all the stuff to see what do I want to use in this video, and I've been wanting to try the actual butterflies though, but look how cute this is. Look how shiny and sparkly. But I was actually looking for the butterflies. They also have these gems. How cool. And I was like, where are these butterflies that I found? So I did find them. They're in there somewhere. I had bought 2 little packets, and I think each one has 5 in them. So, or 5 or 6, something like that. And I was like, I want to open a new one because I had an unopened one there, but I really wanted these because I like the iridescent effect of them for this set. And I wanted to pick out some little bling pieces that will go with my vision. So I was looking at the purple ones off each little kit or little set, and I really liked the ones that are a little bit more see-through. So that's what I ended up picking. So then I'm also going to grab a wax pencil so it's easier for me to pick it up. Now here's me opening it, and here's me adding some of the Macart gel. So this is basically like a gem glue type of thing. And here's a close-up of the little gems. Look at that. It looks like little pieces of treasure. Okay, so now that we have the gem glue on there, we're gonna go ahead and place the pieces of the rhinestones all around. And I was just playing with these. The cool thing about the Macart glue or the gem glue is that you don't have to think about drying time like with the Mia Secret resin, but I love the strength of the Mia Secret resin, you guys. It's really good. The only thing is you kind of have to be super precise and know where you're trying to place the stones and stuff or the charms before it dries. But I really like the little tube dispenser. It makes it easy for application. And you actually can do that new nail art that's in style right now where you put the chrome over it and it looks more like it's coming out from on top of the nail. It looks like a 3D type of art. But anyways, because of the stressful drying time, we're able to fix the little butterflies to place them. So you guys can see the little butterflies. You're gonna see them so much better in the end, but I'm just trying to figure out where to place them. But my whole point with this video, you guys, is that I literally picked these two things from the Dollar Tree and it really vamped up my nails. So if you ever go to the nail salon and you just have one color on your hands, well, don't feel bad. Go to the Dollar Tree, go home, and put it on yourself. You can save some time, some money. Well, time maybe not, but you can save some time for yourself if you want to play with your time doing your own nails. But if not, go ahead and just get it done the regular way. Go to somebody if you really don't want to hassle with it. But if you want to do this for yourself for fun and so you can save a little money, why not? I still go there and I have a bunch of stuff and I just get shocked at all the stuff that they always come out with. So I'm always ready to pick up a few things. This wax pencil, I got a bunch of them from Amazon and that's linked in my storefront. So if you're interested, I've had these for a long time. They last because there's a bunch of them come in with it. Okay, I'm adding another butterfly on the pinky because might as well, right? Okay, so that goes into the lamp for a minute to let it dry. And now they're out. Top coat it with some Coupa top coat, my favorite, everybody's favorite. And that's gonna go into the lamp for a minute after applying it on every single nail. Okay, then we place into the lamp, out the lamp, cuticle oil all around the skin, all around that dry area. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go run to the Dollar Tree right now. Comment down below if you want to see more Dollar Tree tutorials. I love you guys. Have a good one. Bye.